Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to learn how to find factors of 60. So there are two methods for finding the factors of any number. One is the multiplication method and the other one is the division method. So we will be using the division method for finding the factors of 60. In the division method we divide 60 by different numbers and check whether the number is a factor of 60 or not. If it is fully divisible without leaving a remainder, that means it is a factor of 60. Let us now find the factors of 60 by dividing it by different numbers. So first we will divide 60 by number 1. As 1 is a factor of all the numbers, 1 times 60 is 60. We are getting 0 remainder. Hence 1 is a factor of 60. We got two factors by this division, which is 1 times 60 is equal to 60. Now we will divide 60 by number 2. 60 divided by 2. So 2 times 3 is 6. And 2 times 0 is 0. So here too we are getting 0 remainder. That means 2 is also a factor of 60. We got two factors as 2 times 30 is equal to 60. Next we will divide 60 by 3. So 3 times 2 is 6 and 3 times 0 is 0. So here too we are getting 0 remainder, that means 3 is a factor of 60 and we got two factors as 3 and 20. So 3 times 20 is 60. Next we will divide 60 by number 4. 4 times 1 is 4, 2 is the remainder and then we will drop down 0. So 4 times 5 is 20. So 60 is also fully divisible by 4. So we got two factors 4 and 15. So 4 times 15 is 60. Next we will divide 60 by number 5. 5 times 1 is 5. We got one remainder, then we will drop down 0. So 5 times 2 is 10. 5 is also a factor of 60. We got two factors as 5 times 12. Now we will divide 60 by 6. 6 times 10 is 60. So 6 is also a factor of 60 and we got two factors as 6 times 10 is equal to 60. We will divide 60 by 7. 7 is not a factor of 60 as we are getting remainder. 8 is also not a factor of 60 and 9 is also not a factor of 60. Next we will divide it by number 10. So 10 times 6 is 60 and we got 0 as remainder. We got two factors as 10 times 6 is 60. But here we see that these factors are getting repeated as we already got 6 times 10 is 60. We will stop our division here and will not consider the repeated numbers. So now let us write the factors of 60. So factors of 60 are we'll write the factors in increasing order. So we'll start from 1, then we'll come to 6 and then we'll start from 10 and then go to 60. So factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30 and 60. These are all the factors of 60. We got all the factors of 60. Let us find the prime factors of 60. So 60 can be written as the product of two factors as 2 times 30. So 2 times 30. As 2 is a prime number, so we are going to circle it. Now 30 can be written as a product of two factors as 2 times 15. And 2 is a prime number, so we will circle it. Next 15 can be written as a product of 3 and 5. And here we see that both 3 and 5 are prime numbers, so we are going to circle both the numbers. We got all the prime numbers which cannot be further break down into factors. So the prime factors of 60 are, we are going to write all the prime numbers which we have circled: 2, 2, 3 and 5. These are all the prime factors of 60. So I hope now you got a clear understanding between the factors and prime factors and how do we find all the factors of a number. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.